wall, homie. Oh, it's my brand new lever. Did you get that on GoPro? Hey, Jeff.
I pulled over and let the youngest asshole was fucking rocking me. That thing's fun.
You could put it on the wall. Is it GoPro going? Hang on. It's probably gonna fall down on me. Damn it!
Hey, what are you doing?
I've never been. I need to go up front. Nothing but gas pouring though. I'm pouring out gas.
Hey,
thank you, buddy. Hang on. Oh. Bike's out, and then we got this third bike right here.
Oh fuck! How'd you over there, Mike? Trying to save me?
You took thanks to this guy right here.
I did. Oh shit!
Oh, I tried to save it.
Everybody had a fucking GoPro, bro. It'd be fucking captured.